Yo, what's up, what's up? It's me again, Beth Aglasi, and if you're new to this channel, please do support me by hitting the subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified if I have a new video. Ayan, so mag-intro lang tayo saglit guys ha. Stay tuned. So, ito ang chismis guys. Ayan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, magchismisan tayo. Ayan, so, nung December 12, 2020, ayan. So, ano yung balita guys? Nabalitaan nyo ba? Ayan, si Luis Manzano or Lucky Manzano and Jessie Menjola ay engaged na sila. Ayan, yan yung 12/12/2020. So, yan yung remarkable day sa kanila kasi that day sila in-engage. Ayan. So, yun yung balita guys. Yung mga hindi nakakaalam, yung mga hindi updated sa social media. Ayan. So, yun yung balita guys. In-engage sila. So, kaya ko sinishare ito is it's like reacting video kasi ang gusto kong i-chismis sa inyo or i-share sa inyo is magkaano, how much yung worth ng engagement ring diamond ni Jessie Menjola. Ayan. So, ayan, excited na kayo. Wait, magchismisan muna tayo. Ayan, so itong mga babasahin ko guys, i-flash ko na lang sa screen at the same time habang binabasa ko. So, nung December 12, ayan, nag-post si Luis Manzano sa kanyang Instagram ng The How House. Ayan. And then, yun yung ano, yun kasi yung referring to their pet names for each others. Ayan. So, yun yung tawagan nila guys, dong How. Ayan. And then, si Jessie naman, si Luis Manzano is 39 years old na pala sa hindi mga nakakalam. And si Jessie is 28 years old na. And si Jessie naman is nag-post rin siya sa kanyang Instagram ng yes, yes! Big letters, yes, hashtag just got lucky. Ayan. So, and then, yun na, flinash niya yung kanyang engagement ring. Ayan. So, bongga. Ayan. Kaya, ayun, nagkakagulo ang social media world. Kasi, isa pa, yun nga, na maraming nagka-curious and ako rin, isa rin ako doon. Kaya ako to sinishare sa inyo. Nagka-curious ako kung magkaano nga ba, how much ba yung worth ng diamond ring ni Jessie Menjola. Ayan. So, and kaya pa nag-trending kasi may nag-aaway, ayan, may nag-aaway na dalawang jeweler kung sino ba sa kanila talaga ang gumawa ng diamond ring ni Jessie Menjola. Ayan, kung sino ba talaga kasi nung nag-post si Jessie Menjola na yes, just got lucky, ayan, then nag-post naman si Manila Diamond Studio na kino-congrats nila si Jessie Menjola. Kino-congrats nila siya sa kanyang engagement. Sa kanyang pagkaka-engage. Ayan. And then, tsaka nila flinash yung diamond ring na ginawa nila for Jessie. Kasi nga, inaako nila na... So, ayan nga guys, inaako ng Manila Studio Diamond na sila, sa kanila galing yung engagement ring ni Jessie Menjola. Kasi, yun nga, nung nag-post si Jessie na in-engage na siya, and then, nag-post na rin si Manila Studio sa Instagram to guys, na tinag si Jessie, and then, papakita ko dito na flinash rin yung ginawa nila na diamond ring ni Jessie Menjola. Kasi pala, si Jessie Menjola, si Jessie, ayan, si Jessie, hi Jessie! Si Jessie na yan is isa siya sa brand endorser ng Manila Diamond Studio. Ayun, so however, pagkatapos nung post na yon, ayun nga, however, in a post yesterday, December 13, 2020, Radiant Jewelry took a social media saying that the engagement ring was actually actually created by them. So, ayun, may umaapila na isang jeweler na sa kanila daw galing yung engagement ring ni Jessie. Ito yung statement nila, guys. It is unfortunately that a company would insinuate a work for something they did not do. We feel to need to inform the public that this is our work. Inaako nilang sa kanila galing yung engagement ring ni Jessie. We are the original creators of the engagement ring of Jessie Mendiola and Luis Manzano. In our opinion, taking credit for that something they did not do is detrimental to the industry that have ring makers who put their heart and soul to their pieces. Such a post of announcement is very misleading and unethical. The statement was accompanied by a video showing Luis holding a black jewelry box with diamond. So, yun yung sabi ng Radiant Jewelry. And then, yun yung apila nila, guys, sa Instagram. Then, nakita ni Luis yun. Dali-dali siyang nag-comment, ni-replyan si Radiant Jewelry. Sabi niya, so the final design of Jessie's finger was from her own design and at Manila Diamond Studio, not the one made by Radiant, while Radiant did help us procure the main stone. We had a completely different settings, add-ons, and design made through Manila Diamond Studio. So yes, the design Jessie is wearing right now is from her own design and it's from Manila Diamond Studio. So yun yung sabi ni Luis to clarify everything. Ayan, so clarify niya na talagang final na si Manila Diamond Studio, sa kanila galing yung diamond ni Jessie Mendiola. And isa pa kasi is, isa siya sa brand endorser ng Manila Studio Diamond. So, yun yung ano, and then wala naman ang sagot si Radiant. So, ayan, ito na yung hinintay natin, guys. Ako rin yung pinaka-excited, So, yung engagement ring ni Jessie is flawless D-colored diamond. In the center is roughly around 3 to 4 carats. OMG, sana all, mapapasana all na lang, guys. 3 to 4 carats in size, according to the Showbiz News site's source, which accounts for its step price tag. So, ang price niya is ayan. So, that engagement ring cost a cool of 5 million pesos, guys. Ayan. So, 5 million pesos yung worth ng engagement ring ni Jessie Mendiola na galing na made sa Manila's Diamond Studio. So, ayun, guys, sana mapapasana all na lang, no? So, yun yung chika, guys. Yun yung balita ko sa inyo. Kasi it's about jewelry, so konektado ito sa content natin. Sana naiintindihan yung mga pinagsasabi ko kasi ako rin excited kaya pagka-bulol-bulol. Ayun, so it's official. They're engaged 12/12/2020, and then yung colored ng kanyang diamond is D-colored, flawless, and roughly around 3 to 4 carats ang size ng kanyang stones, and worth 5 million pesos. Ayan, that it's made from Manila Diamond Studio. So, ayan. So, good luck to Jessie Mendiola and Luis Manzano. Congratulations to your engagement, and best wishes. Ayan, best wishes, and sana invite nyo kami. Ayan, so thank you for watching, and kung bago pa lang dito sa channel na to, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified if I have a new chika again like this. Ayan, so sana nasundan nyo. Bye, God bless.